Here's a Toyota RAV4. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is a primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now if the hood doesn't pop up, what you do is you go onto the side and you lift up the hood from over there. Now put one finger inside over there on top of the Toyota emblem and then push it left. This is the way the secondary release lever works. Now grab the prop rod from over there and then put it right over there in that slot. Insert it there, let it go, and now the hood is secure. Once the hood is open, that right there is where your engine air filter is. We need to undo two clips, one over here, second one on the side there. Now we need to be able to get this cover out of the way. For that we need to get it out of those two slots in the back, 1 and 2. For that, lift up the cover and then pull it forward. You may have to wiggle the cover a little bit, but it'll slide out. So lift it up, pull it from the side, wiggle it, and it comes off. Those two tabs are now clear of the slots in the back there. Good. Now lift up this clip and then slide this cable off from there. Same thing. There's another clip on the back over there. Lift it up and slide it out. Good. Now this will help us lift up this cover all the way and give us easier access to the filter. Right over there. Good. Just lift up the cover, grab the filter, take it out. And out it comes. The bottom side of the filter is the dirty side. All the dirt is trapped over there. The top side is the clean side. So outside air comes from the bottom, dirt gets trapped over there, and then clean air from the top goes into the engine. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. And this filter only goes on in one orientation, the way I'm showing. If you position it the other way, it will not fit, because it may look like it's a square, but it's like a rectangle, so it only goes on in one way. Now if you want, you can clean up the air box if it's too dirty before you put the new filter in. Just give it a quick vacuum. You don't have to, but if it's too dirty, just do it. Let's put the filter back in and see how it sits in properly. It's not sticking out. That's what yours should look like as well. Now let's get this cover out from under that cable there. Let's put those two tabs in the back, put them in the slots there. And it's important that you do this properly, because otherwise you will not be able to put these two metal clips back on properly. Once it's in, press this down, put this clip on. Let's repeat the process for the other one. Just press this down, put the clip on. And now let's not forget to put these two clips for the cable back in place. Simply slide it in, it clicks in. Good. Let's just review what we did so far. Two tabs in the back are in their proper place, 1 and 2, two metal clips, and these two clips for the cable, and that's it. To close the hood, first push on it, get load off the prop rod, get it out of that slot, put it back in its place, lower the hood, and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.